Hey, if you want to change the notification sound on your POCO X6 Pro, first of all, you'll have to go to the settings, and then from here, you'll have to scroll down and go into the sound and vibration. Now click on the notifications, and as you can see right here, we get option to choose the local ringtone or pre-installed ringtones. So let's select the first option, and from here we've got the notification sounds, and that's how it sounds. As you can see, we got some kind of the ad, so we have to turn it off. And for example, we can stay with this one. But if you want to add your own sound, the custom sound, you will have to click right here on the right bottom corner and accept all of these permissions. And here we can actually choose some musics by going here. And also we can do this for the sound recorder and audio files from our phone, so we can store some folders. So we can set the default or the custom notification sound. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.